Stability was supposed to feel like relief. The point where life finally got lighter. For a lot of adults, it has not worked out that way. Because a higher income can buy a better-looking life, and a heavier one. The house is there, the career is there, the structure is there, and still, something feels tight underneath. Not always because someone is failing, sometimes because the life itself has become expensive to run. That is fixed cost gravity. The point where rising income gets absorbed by rising obligations. The month can feel expensive before you have even started living it. Stability is not free. It has carrying costs. That is why life can look settled on the outside, while privately feeling narrow underneath. You can own more, earn more, and still feel one surprise, away from stress. Because wealth on paper does not always create calm. Liquidity does. And this is the deeper shift. The life built for security can quietly become the structure you serve. The house stops being just shelter. It becomes mortgage, maintenance, insurance, upkeep, and continuity. It carries more than one job: safety, school access, routine, identity, status. And family life adds another layer. Not just spending, coordination, timing, responsibility. Success was supposed to buy time. For many adults, it bought admin. The burden is not only in the numbers, it is in the fact that the system never fully switches off. This is expensive competence. The life looks managed, but management itself has become exhausting. Freedom gets replaced by maintenance. Weekends become repairs, paperwork, catch-up, and recovery. And when the structure gets heavy enough, ordinary shocks start feeling dangerous. That is why higher income can coexist with lower optionality. Stability stops feeling like a rival. It starts feeling like something you have to keep performing. You are not only living the life, you are holding it up. That is why this condition is hard to name. It does not look like failure. It looks like ordinary adult success. And that is exactly why it can feel so isolating. You do not look broke. You just feel heavy. The first reframe is this: if your life feels expensive to carry, that is not always a discipline problem. It may be a structure problem. The goal is not to perform stability harder. It is to reduce what your life requires. Real stability does not feel impressive. It feels lighter. It feels like room to move again. If success has started feeling expensive, the next question is, which part feels heaviest? The admin, the house, the kids, the future. That is next.